Now we can discuss about one of the service opportunity, that is house cleaner. House cleaner. With a low barrier to entry, house cleaning can be a great way to start doing what you love soon. Consider advertising to homes in your neighborhood and get more bang for your buck by earning a few small businesses as clients as well. They will usually bring in a higher paycheck for a small similar amount of work. So house cleaning is also a good profession now. They will also maintain some workers and some painters and some cleaners and some professional workers also for that is also will be run by a private limited company or a limited company also. They will do professionally. Once if you give one contract for house cleaning means, you should vacate the house for 1 week or 10 days to clean everything. So that time what they will do, they will do house cleaning means first the rusted windows are there means they will say that windows has to be changed, and any painting is not good means the painting has to be done, has to be redone again, and landscaping also. Some rich people will want that we want a green garden, so green garden, so that landscaping is also most important, and sometimes land tree trimming is also important. All these will be done by house cleaner, but all not things, but house cleaning is specifically for cleaning the house and dust and dirt and clean the best well, including painting works also they will do. So likewise, house cleaner will do very good work, but certain timings, the whole house persons will vacate the home for a couple of weeks, the single or 1 week or 10 days. They will give gap to them house cleaning. So if they give gap to them, they can do fastly. All rooms can do simultaneously. But if you are in home means it will take some time. Two rooms they will do first, and after that the owners will go to that, family will go into that room, and again two rooms, and two rooms means it will take so much of time. Even that is also they will do, but they will charge something high. So that house cleaning is also very good business nowadays. House cleaning acids, which acids are good for bathroom cleaning? One type of acids. For floor cleaning, one type of acids are there, and for wall cleanings, one type of acids are there. For wall paintings also, they will do one type of work. Scrubbing will be done by one person, and that any blockages are there in walls means that will be filled by the fix and all these things, and the painting work, everything they will have professionals, and very good work will be done with them. So that house cleaning is also a very good profession nowadays. So that is also will be done. So you can give a contract to a house cleaner, that may be a private limited company or a limited company. They will do professionally in days or in weeks also if it is house is very big. So it is very comfort. While you spend money, you can get very good comfort. Mm, very good comfort. And wishing you all the best. Be prosperous and be comfortable and live happily. Wishing you all the best.